What's up guys, Blake here at Vivid Racing. Today we are going to be applying one of our awesome VR-Tune ECU flashes to this 991 Porsche Turbo S. This is a 2018. This is one of the most powerful 911s in the 991 lineup, boasting a very impressive 580 horsepower and 553 foot-pounds of torque. In addition to that, this car is ranging a 2.7 to 2.80 to 60 and high 10-second quarter mile. This is extremely impressive for any DOT street car, and with a tune, it really can pick up a lot more. All right guys, we're gonna keep this one sweet. We're gonna get going on the tune. First, we're gonna hook up our DimSport MyGenius device. We're gonna read out the stock software, get the tune file set up, and then we're going to come back to the car and get it applied. Alright guys, we got our VR-Tune ECU flash applied to the car. This is going to pick up a stout 80 horsepower. In addition to that, you're going to see a lot of increased throttle response. This car features variable vane turbos, so we're able to bring boost in real early and vector it through the power curve. Alright guys, that wraps up the 991.2 Turbo S. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. We'll see you at the next one.